Hello from Legalshield. First things first, what's legal protection and why should you want it? Quite simply, a legal protection plan gives you access to legal advice for a low monthly fee. Normally, lawyers are, well, expensive. We're talking approximately $250 an hour expensive. But with a Legalshield plan, you can spend a little less than that for an entire year of access to an established law firm. So, $250 for 1 hour with a lawyer, or the peace of mind that you have access to an entire law firm when you need it. That's a pretty easy choice. If you've recently received legal assistance, this probably all sounds great. If not, you may be wondering, why would you ever need a law firm? It turns out a law firm can help with all kinds of things you may not have even realized, such as helping you with your will, traffic tickets, IRS audits, going over contracts, whatever personal legal situation you face. Your law firm can help you make the best decision while ensuring you know your full legal rights. So why choose Legalshield? For starters, Legalshield has been in business for 40 years, and right now over 1.4 million families trust Legalshield as their legal protection provider. Legalshield has partnered with a dedicated full-service law firm in your state, which means you always have an established law firm dedicated to helping you. So you have legal assistance when you need it, even 24/7 access for covered emergencies. Just call your law firm and you'll speak with a lawyer about your specific personal legal issue within 8 hours or less. And download the My Legalshield app for easy access to your law firm wherever you are when legal issues come up. As soon as you're a Legalshield member, your law firm can give you advice on personal legal situations, write letters or make phone calls on your behalf, and review personal contracts and documents up to 15 pages in length. Plus, you're covered with 60 hours of trial and trial prep time over the next year, with an additional 60 hours added each year for the first 5 years. That means that if you're named defendant or respondent in a covered civil case, you'll have the peace of mind that a prepared, experienced attorney is on your side. Clearly, legal protection is good, and Legalshield is the best. Now let's talk specific plans. Legalshield has a family plan and an individual plan. The family plan covers you and family members, including your spouse or significant other, never married dependent children under 26 who are living at home or are full-time students, children up to 18 for whom you are a legal guardian, and any physically or mentally disabled child for life. The individual plan covers a single individual without any dependents. Both Legalshield memberships include legal assistance on all personal legal matters, from the trivial to the traumatic. So whether it involves a moving traffic violation, real estate, consumer law, estate planning, or IRS tax audit, the bottom line is, yep, you need a law firm. We're also proud to offer top-of-the-line identity theft protection with IDShield. You're probably aware that identity theft affects millions of Americans each year. But did you know it's been the #1 consumer complaint filed with the FTC for over 15 years straight? Criminals are getting smarter, and they're not going away. That's why you need IDShield. We provide the information and expertise to protect your identity and resolve issues related to identity theft. IDShield offers powerful, proactive monitoring of your credit information, so you can rest assured that your identity is always protected. Stay covered with benefits like quarterly credit score tracker with monitoring of your credit file on a secure website. Black market website surveillance with daily monitoring for unauthorized use of your Social Security number, credit card and bank account numbers, and any other personal information across the internet. In addition, you always have continuous credit monitoring that can be accessed immediately through your member dashboard. You even get minor identity protection, which monitors any fraudulent activity associated with your child's Social Security number. Additional benefits include payday loan monitoring to alert members when their personal information is associated with short-term, payday, or similar cash advance loans. Social Security number fraud detection, a search that detects potential fraud by searching your Social Security number in over 34 billion current public records. And even assistance to see if your address has been used by a registered sex offender. In the unfortunate event you do become the victim of identity theft, IDShield has partnered with Kroll, the worldwide leader in theft investigative services. When we detect a threat to your identity, we get working right away. Unlike other providers in the market, we don't waste time retaining an insurer to restore your identity. Our fully integrated partnership with Kroll allows their licensed investigators to handle your identity restoration. This includes, when applicable, sending fraud alerts to all 3 national credit repositories and correcting identity theft issues with affected banks, credit card companies, law enforcement agencies, and other institutions. Kroll is the best at what they do, and that's why we partner with them. On top of all this, you get ID Shield's $5 million service guarantee, which means if you become the victim of identity theft, we spend up to $5 million to do whatever it takes, for as long as it takes, to restore your identity. No one else gives you that kind of peace of mind. So choose the ID Shield plan that's right for you. ID Shield Individual covers one person. ID Shield Family covers up to 10 people. You, your spouse or partner, and as many as 8 children. Plus, the savings really add up. Millions of people lose their identity every year. Don't be one of them. Make the smart decision today and choose to give your family access to our legal and identity theft plans only with Legalshield. Worry less, live more.